Hello, welcome once again to a quick tutorial on how to open hidden folders within your computer. And this is specifically to those who have problems with their Blender settings folder whenever they want to migrate their old settings from a previous version to the new one. I think we're going to have 5.2, Blender 5.2 coming in next month. So as you prepare for that, I'm going to show you a quick way to quickly open your headings folder. So under the Windows operating system, we'll quickly come over to your File Explorer. Then what you would want to do is quickly hit View, then Show Hidden Items. So what happens is that it's now going to show where your hidden system files or program files are going to be hiding. And to specifically be able to access your Blender settings, what we're going to do is go head over to your C drive, come over to your users. Then over here, I'm going to select my account. Then whenever you come to your account, what you're going to see is AppData. Now, if we switch this off, show hidden items, you do not see it in the list of folders over here. So whenever you turn this on, show hidden items, you get your AppData. So what we have here is your local, the local low, and roaming. You want to hit roaming, and you'll come over to your Blender Foundation. Click on Blender, and then you would have your list of files over here. So currently I only have 5.1. So if I add 5.2, previous version 5.0, it will be here. So since we don't have that, here's where we get all our add-ons and scripts and every plugin that we've already installed on our computer. Yeah, so this is just a quick way to get access to your hidden items. So it works regardless of which version that you have, if you are having troubles trying to find where they are and how to migrate them. Yeah, but there are other nuances to it. If you have maybe a plugin from a previous version that's not working with maybe 5.1 or the latest versions, yeah, I think maybe what you would have to do is download the plugin. Maybe you have to check from the owner or the producer of the plugin. Maybe they would have updated it for the latest one. Yeah, so that's it, guys, for this video. Yeah, there'll be more videos coming in. We plan to do other content in relation to design and media, and also the emergence of AI. So there's a lot to unpack. So catch you in the next one. Bye.